What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're continuing the Five Below series with another edition from Jaxx. This is the Level, designed specifically for the PC gamer. Now for those who don't know, Five Below is a store here in the United States. I don't think they have them outside of the United States, but everything there is $5 plus tax. I think there are some things that are a little more expensive, but typically everything is $5 and below. Now these have color changing LEDs. These are 52mm drivers, power source, PC, notebook. Oh, so it may be USB powered, compatible with PC, iPhone, Android, all the stuff. It says high quality sound, detachable USB auxiliary cable included, multicolor LED. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, they're not very pretty. Yeah, these are not pretty. They, like, at all. Wow. Okay, you got, that's some sort of paper and some cheap foam. It's not even centered right, like that whole center part, it's not even fully centered. Look at that, it's a little off. All right, we got one. Oh, and they do not feel, they feel like $5. Yeah, they definitely feel like $5. So you have a cable with USB on one end, micro USB, and 3.5 jack on the other. All right. Oh, lots of electrical distortion sound. But there you go, they do go through the different colors. So it does kind of like just a wave. They're kind of a little out of sync. All right, let me do this. Plug it into my phone. Let's see what happens. Okay, the sound went away. All right, let's test it out. Okay, all right. Yeah, boy. All right, I am not worried about breaking these, so I am gonna turn on some bass boosted, and yeah, let's break them. Yeah, let's go to the old school one. That's as loud as they go, too. There's no internal, there's no volume knob or anything. Yeah, boy. Oh, that's good. That's good stuff. Okay, let's do one more song. Big old fat pass on these. Jaxx, what? I get their $5, but come on, guys. That? No. Oh, look, and they're completely out of sync now. Now they're just kind of going off on their own colors. Yeah, see, so they're out of sync, and now I guess the longer they've gone more out of sync. Look at that. So this one's actually ahead of that one. See that? That's so weird. Wow. I gotta say, from every every step of the way, these are pretty junky. The build quality is crap. They look like they've already been sitting in the toy aisle at Walmart for too long. It's like on the bottom shelf where it gets knocked around and stuff. Keep in mind, this is a torn up box already. So it's possible that somebody already messed with them or something and then packaged it back up. I don't know, this was a gift for the purpose of reviewing. You know who you are, thank you. But I cannot suggest you buy these at all. If you go to Five Below, stay away from these. Jaxx has done pretty decent on other things, and other things not so much. And this is definitely one of those not so much items. The last time I heard speakers that sounded like this, they were completely blown, and these already sound like they're just not, there's no life in these left. Yeah, so there you go. If you need noisemakers, here you go. Don't expect to hear anything pleasant, and that is big false advertisement. Designed specifically for the PC gamer. Even PC gamers that play just solitaire wouldn't use these as PC speakers. I'm sorry, Jaxx, no. Big old fat pass, not worth $5. I wouldn't recommend spending 50 cents on these. Yeah, they're just not good. So there you go. All right. You win some and you lose some, but don't disregard Five Below altogether. They do have some decent products, and that's why we're doing this, is to test out which ones are good and which ones aren't. If you guys enjoyed this video, if this is helpful to you in any way, or you just had a good laugh listening to this nonsense, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, do so. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers already, actually. Oh, I say already, been doing this for 3 years now. What's going on, YouTube? Speed it up. All right, guys, well, that is it. I'll link down below to the Five Below store location website where you can actually find one if there's one near you. So definitely go check them out. Their stores are pretty cool. Either way, I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.